Menopause is a specific moment in a woman's life. It marks the definitive cessation of menstruation and is confirmed after 12 months without a period. Unlike menopause, the climacteric is a broader stage that spans from perimenopause to postmenopause, representing the transition from the fertile to the infertile phase. During this period, hormonal changes occur that affect both the body and emotional state. The distinction between both concepts is key to understanding the physiological processes and symptoms associated with this vital stage in a woman's life. The most frequent symptoms are hot flashes, insomnia, irritability, loss of libido, and musculoskeletal disorders. Headaches, palpitations, and difficulty concentrating may also appear. Among the most important risks are osteoporosis and a greater predisposition to cardiovascular diseases. To mitigate these effects, maintaining a healthy weight, engaging in moderate exercise, avoiding a sedentary lifestyle, following a balanced diet rich in calcium and vitamin D, and staying properly hydrated are recommended. Responsible sun exposure also promotes vitamin D synthesis and improves mood. Hormone replacement therapy, HRT, is indicated for women with severe vasomotor symptoms, premature or surgical menopause, and osteoporosis cases that cannot tolerate other treatments. It should always be personalized, considering the balance between risk and benefit. It is contraindicated in women with a history of breast cancer, stroke, liver disease, or thrombophilia. Although it was questioned in the past, its effectiveness in improving quality of life is now recognized. Regarding sexuality, hormonal, emotional, and social factors can lead to sexual dysfunction, though it is also a time of greater intimacy and maturity in the couple.